Okay, so this is definitely by far the trickiest question you've done this week. So if you got it right, well done. But let's work it out together. Okay, so first things first, we know that two amounts of eggs, the medium, small, or large, are going to be the same number. So the best way to work this one out is to guess and check. That's the strategy to use, and that's the one I'm going to use now. Okay, so let me zoom in because I'm going to need a lot of space for this one. Okay, we have small eggs, we have medium eggs, and we have large eggs. The small eggs cost 5 cents. The medium eggs cost 10 cents. The large eggs cost 50 cents. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I need to times each price by a number, by the amount of eggs I'm going to buy, and then I'm going to get the price, and the price is going to go here. That's what the R stands for rands. Okay, and then I'm going to add all these rands together, and they should equal 10 rand. So first things first, when I add this, let me do another color pen. When I add this number over here, and this number over here, and this number over here, they should equal, so let's say plus, they should equal 100 in total. So I'm going to start first with this 100, and I'm going to divide 100 up. Now, if you're thinking about it and you've done a bit of work, you'll quickly figure out that the large and medium the small can't be the same as the medium. It just won't work out. So we kind of figure out early on, if you've tested it a few times, that the eggs have to be, the two numbers that have to match have to be medium. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start and just say half the eggs are small, which means then medium has to be 25 and large has to be 25. So I know 50 plus 25 plus 25 equals 100. So this is my first guess, okay? Now based on that, I now need to check if I'm right. So those all add up to 100, fantastic. Now I've got to figure out the answers. I'll do these in green, and these ones have to add up to 10. So 50 times 5 equals 2 rand 50, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just double check myself. Yes, I'm right. 10 times 25 equals 2 rand 50 again. And then this will equal 25. Yeah, you see right there I've run into a problem. Because 2.5 plus 2.5 is great. Plus 25, no, that's going to give me 30, not 10. So I've got to change something. So let me just undo all of this. All right. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to erase these numbers here. So what I know immediately is the large is far too big, okay? The amount of eggs I'm ordering for large is far too big. So let me change back to red. So if it is 25, 25, 50, let's maybe take a guess of, let's make this 60 now, okay? Which means this one will be 20, this one will be 20. Okay, so now 60 plus 20 plus 20, that equals 100. Okay, so I'm good here. So let's switch to green and work out the prices. 5 times 60 equals 3 rand. Okay, so I pay 3 rand for those 60 small eggs. I pay 2 rand for those. Okay, that's good. Those two added together equals 5. Now this one should equal 5. So 50 cents times that will give me 10. Oh no. So you see what happened here is 3 plus that is 5. It gives me 15. I'm still too high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this all away, and I'm going to have to change the numbers of eggs I buy again. So this is what the guess and check procedure works. You just got to keep trying. So I did 60 there. So let's try let's go 80. Let's say 80. Okay. So if I put 80 there, that means I put 10 here and 10 here. So 10 plus 80 equals 100. Okay, great. So now let's switch to green and work out and see if the prices add up. 80 times by 5 will give me 4 rand. Okay, cool. 10 times 10 will give me 100, which is 1 rand. And then 10 times 50 will give me 5. Is that right? And if I add these up, 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 4. Okay, fantastic. That gives me 10 rand. So right here I have 10 rand, and there I have 100 eggs. So my answer must be I bought 80 small, I bought 10 medium, and I bought 10 large. So let's quickly just check, is that what the question was asking me? How many eggs did she buy? How many of each size did she buy? So 80, 10, 10. So if you got this right, fantastic, give yourself a mark. I believe that, was it Kian Govinda said he could have done 0, 0, 100, and that would have given the answer as well. That's also an option, and you could give yourself a mark. But just on your page, right, 1 out of 1 if you got it right. Fantastic, boys. Have a good day.